glue gun dripping? Does it seem like after you dispense the glue, it keeps wanting to come out? Now this glue is super hot, so we do recommend that you dial back the temperature some. See all the bubbles in the glue? Because the glue is getting too hot. See how the glue keeps wanting to come out. And you can see, I don't know if you can see it or not, but this glue is just boiling. Okay, so first thing, since we have a lot of bubbles in the glue, I'm gonna stick the nozzle up. Okay, let it sit there for a little while. Okay, we'll come right back to it. Okay, so I put the nozzle up and you see where we got a bubble coming out. See how the glue is dripping off the side? So remember I said to turn the temperature down some because the glue starts to boil and that's what causes a lot of bubbles. So now with it up, okay, one bubble already worked its way out, so we're gonna slowly squeeze. You see another bubble came out? It's another bubble, another bubble. And you might do this a couple of times, but now you see the nozzle isn't dripping. And as we squeeze, we dispense the glue, another bubble came out. This glue is super hot and that's causing bubbles. But see how it's not dripping anymore? So that's generally the fix for if your glue is dripping, it means you have bubbles in the glue. And generally it's because the glue is too hot. So we do recommend you turning the temperature down.